when a person with mental health condition, let's say I have depression, ang Mental Health Act, kung kailangan ko ng tulong or support, I can access mental health support, treatment, and care in anywhere within my community.
Okay.
It centers also on my rights. Unlike before na natatakot ka, baka ma-discriminate ka, ma-stigma ka, no, it centers na karapatan mo makakuha ng quality na care na malapit sa'yo. Na hindi ako lilipat ng 2 hours, 3 hours to get the service. I could go out in my community at the nearest health station, a municipal health unit or yung rural health unit na tinatawag natin. I could get that quality support na hindi naman kailangan agad sa specialists. Yung mga, let's say, doctors natin sa health centers, even the barangay health workers are being equipped on mental health, promotion, prevention, yung paano ba sila magde-design or magsusupport ng people in their communities. Tinatawag natin silang non-specialists. They're primary care doctors, yung general doctors would say. They are trained on this mental health gap action program where at their level, they'd be able to provide and assess individuals for mental health needs. No? May mga priority conditions tayong tinatawag doon. And they'd be able to provide medications even for free. They're called medicine access sites or medicine access program. So, hindi ka na lalakad, pipila ng matagal to actually receive help. Available to in the primary, secondary hospitals or in the community. We are seeing this in different regions in the Philippines actually. The rural health units, mga around 2,000 na yung may mga na-train on mental health. Data last year, about 878 rural health units or hospitals across the Philippines ang may medicine access program for mental health. So, access sites sila. Anywhere, anytime, supposedly, that we need help, ma-access natin dapat yan.